First, we're going to make a video on a 2014 Acura Rdx technology package for an HID replacement. So what I did was I got the D2S 35 watt, and this is going to be the 8K HID lights. Now there's videos of a non-technology package, but this one's a technology package and it comes with the HID. If you look right here, let's see here, this piece, you need to actually twist, get in there and twist this piece right here. You can see that. Take your time. And then this whole thing pops out. Just like that. So, info. And now we can get the light in there. So if you see that, there's a clip in here. If you can get that whole piece. Let me see if I can get this right here. See that little tab? That needs to get disconnected, and also to the side. So let's do that. So to the side. So let's do that. So that's how it looks right here. We're moving it up. Remember, you gotta remove the two clips. We're gonna video that right now. See inside. So you gotta twist it and then remove it out. Okay? So in and then twist till it locks. Right there, there's this clip that holds on to it, and if you see it, there's a groove right there. Clip right here, that piece. You're going to carefully, it is the same, but if you look at it, this piece is on the top is actually slightly larger than this one on the bottom. So what you got to do is, where the shorter one's at, or the thinner one, goes on this side to your right. Because even if you try to put it in, it won't go through. It has to be exactly fit. This, push it in, and twist into place. Okay.
You see that clip I'm moving up and down right there?
make sure that those clips are up when you put in the bulb. See how I'm moving up and down? Those clips have to be up for you to lock the HID bulb together. Right now you can see that I'm kind of struggling a little bit. What I'm doing is putting the harness wire in place. You can just leave it in there. There's really nothing holding it except it's just dangling inside that actual headlight housing. So once I get that wire harness in, I'm gonna basically bring that clip down. All right, so you're gonna put this in like this, in between. There should be a notch in there. If you can see that, take this off. See the little notch? I'll shake it a little bit. Starting on the passenger side headlight. So you can see it's the same thing just like the other side. So just carefully remove the cap and then the light bulb. Don't forget those two clips on the top where you just basically squeeze in to the side and work your way out. Twist. Make sure this is right here. Twist, pull it up. Just remember this piece goes here. Just back in. Side panel for so I can see the light bulb centered into the housing. So here's my final result. So you can see it's more like a 6K, not an 8K. So my thing is I think the original are like a 4300K instead of the 8K that I bought, which is, and realistically it's like a 6K or 6500K, and it's brighter. It's way more brighter than the factory. And comparing it to, like, let's say a Tesla going by in the freeway, it actually is as bright or even brighter. So I'm very happy with the purchase.